Hi, sweetheart. So recently I was kind of checking my comments and I saw this comment by, okay, let's just not reveal the name, which was concerning their art skills. And I was like, wait, I have seen this comment before. And well, yeah, I remembered. This was a problem faced by a lot of you guys. So I read all of the comments and figured out all of the mistakes were pretty basic and it could be solved. So here are all of them. Okay, one thing before we get started. There are no mistakes in art. So your drawings are gonna look bad at start and obviously because you're a beginner. But don't worry, your drawings are gonna be fine in the end as long as you keep practicing. So let's start. Alright, number one, sketches. Well, you see, sketches are kind of one of the most important part. So here's some common mistake when drawing any subject. I mean anything. Okay, always start from the biggest shapes and work your way down to the smallest shapes. And I recommend you take in account the whole subject when sketching. Never take in the individual parts because that's just gonna make it hard for you. Always take the whole subject and break it down into parts that are more digestible to you. Alright, one more thing. Don't make scratchy lines. Don't ask me why, but I'm just saying you don't want to make scratchy lines. You won't like it. Yeah, that's it. I don't think there's anything else except yeah, of course. Don't make chaotic lines instead. Just follow a medium speed, bro. That it's easy as that. That's gonna convey such an important concept like confidence, etc. Alright, line art.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What
Well,
the fuck?
this is going to be hard, very hard. Okay, I'm not trying to scare you, but this is freaking hard, man, I swear. But let me here's ladies and gentlemen, I am going to divide this into three parts. Let's start. Number one, shading. Well, you see, the thing about shading is that it's not hard because of, well, it's nature. More so because people approach it in a very wrong way. Shading is not about going from light to dark or dark to light. It is light affecting the form of a subject, which depends on the source of our light. Here's an example. Okay, the script literally says me to put in an example right here. So here's an example. I hope you understand it better now. Here are some types of shading using a pen. This was from a book, obviously. Number two, your lines will look better if you introduce more confidence in your lines. Well, how to do it? You see, don't make scratchy lines that emit a sense of anxiety, which is bad. Okay, last thing. Oh god, this is going to be a bit more of the basic concepts. Line weight. Well, basically shading, but instead of shading, you make lines thicker and thinner depending on the light you get. You get the idea. Oh god. See, just how long it took me to explain one single topic. I wasn't lying when I said line art is hard. It's so freaking hard you can't imagine, man. And I have just explained the basics. Oh, just go watch some videos that are like really good on that topic. Try to guess what the next is. Here's here's the thing. Drums roll. Anatomy. Oh god, anatomy. Not trying to scare you, but it is on the same level as rocket science. So yeah, I'm really sorry I can't do justice to it. So here's a real quick version. This is skull. Skull looks like a circle from the front. And skull looks like an oval from the side. The sides of skull must be cut using lines because it's flat. Their neck is a cylinder. Triangle for the neck and also for the and also can be used for the torso sometimes. Main body can be broken down into simple spheres and legs can be done the same with arms and joints being simplified into simple circles. Obviously, male bodies are more stiff and females are more curvy. I don't think I can add anything else, but I can say that depending on the subject's gender, you might want to simplify things differently. And we're done. Nice. Alright, next. Hell yeah. My favorite topic now, hands. Not easy, but I'm pretty good at explaining it, not trying to brag. Let's start. Our hand is a circle, at least the main part of it. Fingers are just cylinders sticking out of that circle. Here's a practical example. Of course, your fingers, when closed like a knuckle, they are not a straight line but more so of a curve. And I don't think I can add anything else. This is just a basic tutorial. Just keep that in mind. And here's an example, obviously. Alright. Uh, I guess you understand it a bit better now. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. I don't think I can add any more. Bye. Love you.